नारायणसमारम्भां व्यासशङ्करमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां. Jai Gurudev. It's great joy to have this opportunity to deliver my talk on today's topic, self-surrenderedness. Self-surrenderedness. What is self-surrenderedness? Everybody knows. I don't say that you don't know. But exactly self-surrenderedness. To get enlightenment. This is very important. A student of a master has to surrender himself totally. Ordinary self-surrenderedness is not there. If you say that I am self-surrendering myself, it's not like that. You have to surrender totally. Totally means manasa, vacha, karmani. Manasa means total consciousness, total mental potentiality, total mind you have to. And vacha means whatever you are speaking. So, manasa, vacha and karmani. Karmani means your actions. All these three things have to be surrendered to your master. You are nothing. You are nothing. Everything is at the feet of our master, our guru, our teacher. That is the self-surrenderedness. Simply you say, I am self-surrendering myself to my teacher. It's not like that. Inner to outer, total. I am nothing. You are myself. You are myself. I am nothing. My totality is at your feet. That is the self-surrenderedness. Is it not grateful? Yes. You can see the example. So many are there. Students. Vivekananda at the feet of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. So Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, the great master, has to run after his student. That is true. If he is not seeing Vivekananda, Ramakrishna ji was totally upset. He wants to see his disciple, his student. Every time. He was so like that. And Vivekananda also the same thing. He surrendered himself totally. So like that, so many students like Totakacharya, the disciple of Adi Shankara, totally went to him. Nothing, no Vedas, Vedangas, Upanishad, nothing. He doesn't want anything to study. Only want to study about his master, Adi Shankara. How he is, what he is, my guru, what he wants. So always Totakacharya was at the feet of Adi Shankara. Everybody knows about that. That is the self-surrenderness. All the students, disciples have come to Adi Shankara to learn Vedas and Vedangas and all those knowledge and wisdom. But he never wanted anything except his master. Then we'll discuss this afterwards. So this is the self-surrenderness towards the master. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi always at the feet of Sri Sri Swami Brahmananda Saraswati Maharaj, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. So he was blessed with that total absolute knowledge. Maharshi Mahesh Yogi is nothing but the embodiment of Swami Brahmananda Saraswati Maharaj. Saraswati Maharaj is having the inner knowledge, Maharshi is the manifested knowledge, outer knowledge. So in that way, the self-centeredness is very, very important to learn something from your guru, from your master. Nowadays, I can't say anything. You yourself decide how much self-surrenderness we are doing towards our masters. Gurudev one time he has given an example also. What it was? A wonderful, beautiful example. So we know about Mahabharata. So Pandavas, poor fellows, they have gone to Aranyavasa and also Agyatavasa 1 year. So then they were discussing about the future planning. So their guru, master, everything was, you know about Lord Sri Krishna. So they called Sri Krishna. So they were discussing. Sri Krishna was sitting this side and all the Pandavas sitting here. And Draupadi, the great wife of Pandavas, so she was serving something, drinks or snacks or something. But she was not speaking with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is very, very, very close to Draupadi. So she is the sister for him. People call him a special name, Krishna. Right? So on the name of Krishna itself, she was being used to call. So much of devotion among themselves. So Krishna was observing. She is not talking, she is not saying, she is not wishing anything. And Krishna got something. So she called, "What, ma? Why you are so moody? Why you are not speaking with him? What mistake I did? Tell me." Then Draupadi opened her mouth. She said, "Jareja, why should I have to wish you? Why should I have to see you? Why should I have to talk to you?" Then Krishna said, "What? What happened? What did you do? And what did I not do for you and your husbands? Everything, always. I am protecting you and helping you." "What helping you?" So Krishna said, "Why? What happened?" On that day, in Kaurava's courtyard, the dirty fellows, they were just opening my sari. In between the courtyard, all great people were witnessing. And what did you do? So then Krishna said, "What? I just helped you. I gave you saris when they are unveiling your sari. You have come. When did you come? At last all my saris have opened. Then you came. Why didn't you come? When you are loving me so much. I am your devoted sister. In the beginning itself you have come and protect me." Then Lord Krishna says, "What, ma? You are trying yourself. You are protecting your sari or sari. You are not leaving. Then Draupadi said, so then how can I come? Then why did you come very lost? So, when you left your arms, right, and called me, hey Krishna, protect me, then am I late by even 1 second? Immediately I came. See, that means this is the self-surrenderness. I am nothing. Everything you, my body, my soul, my property, everything is you, my Lord, my Master, my Protector. Have I made even a single second, a fraction of second also I didn't late. Immediately I protected you. That is what? Self-surrenderness. This means you are still having some ego, yes. When you are just removed ego and just said, yes, you are my Lord, you are my boss, come on, protect me. That is the self-surrenderness. Did I do any mistake, my dear sister? Then Draupadi, shaken, tears in her eyes, fall down on the feet of Sri Krishna. Oh my brother, forgive me for my ignorance. I am ignorant. I couldn't understand you and your philosophy. So then Krishna smiled. Don't worry, sister, I am yours. I am always there with you. But I am just seeing how long you are going to protect by yourself. This is the self-surrenderedness. We should not feel that we are existing. Everything is you. Entire the universe is you. What a single person. So in that way, that is the self-surrenderedness. You understood now? So we have to be so much of devoted to our Master. There are so many examples are there. Every one of us have to surrender ourselves. Then, जो इच्छा करबे मन माही, प्रभु प्रताप कछ दुर्लभ नाही. Whatever you think, it will be happening. That's it. Understood? Thank you very much. If you like, and subscribe. So many videos are going to come. I am going to deliver wonderful videos. Please subscribe for further videos and share this knowledge with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Jai Gurudev.